the first week he came home, he actually was saying, "Oh, Mom, Dad," things were clicking. You know, the decoding, the little tidbits of tricks that they're showing, the patience. He loves movement day. His eyes are opening to the little spaces that he did miss. So, and that started, I mean, the end of the first week.
Yeah, absolutely.
He was excited. So, and for a 10-year-old to be excited to go to a learning program for the summer, you know, we were happy.
What did he say? I didn't know it was that easy. Is that what he said? I think he said, was it that
something
easy?
Something along that lines.
How did I not know that or something?
Yeah.
He knows he's not alone.
Yeah.
I think that was a big thing for him too.
Oh, definitely.
Not knowing that he wasn't alone.
Yeah, and everybody was kind of on the same page where he was. Exactly what kids today need.
Especially in a fast-paced environment.
No matter if they're homeschooled, public school, anything, there's so much knowledge that the kids have to, you know, so many marks that they have to hit.
I think that's what is offered here. Something a little bit more intensive, but a lot more persuasive to character and all. I mean, because it's a whole thing. He picked up a whole thing by coming here. It didn't just start with just picking up how to read, you know what I mean? Because he was reading when he came.
So this program really helped him to take his time, listen to what, you know, is being taught and to apply it, and it just works. It's really nice to find a program that actually cared about the kids, and it wasn't so much about, you know, the money and getting them in. And you can tell they actually, you know, they really want to help. They really want to see
He felt it right away. Normally, Joseph's very apprehensive about dealing with new people and places. Oh yeah. He was eager to stay.
He loves it.
Yeah, he does.
I would let the donors know that it's definitely worth your contribute.
Yeah, time doesn't lie. Yeah. People can say what they want. Stats and time never lies. It always tells the truth. If you sit in a child, that's time. That's the proof. So our child shows we're living proof. Thank you.
We're very grateful, and we feel very fortunate we got led to your program because we believe that this program was here for Joseph. We feel more confident now that he feels more confident, and he can build from what he's learned here.